We are so busy since last week because the kids have no school. They are in a vacation, so we are busy doing things inside the house. It's not always screen time. They need to do some other things. So no, we're providing them. Oops, wala na. Oh, I can't. Oh yeah, I can still do it. What's that, baby? I think our number 7, we need more beads for this. Hi dog, you're gonna be done soon. Okay, I'm gonna have some rest. Oh, what's that? This one are... Whoop. Yeah. Hannah, you wanna do the rest, baby?
Yeah.
Oops. Our little light.
Cutie lighty.
Our light.
Aww,
Look at this dog. Yeah, it's a little cutie dog now. And a sparkling dog. There's more. I think we need more.
I have more there.
Oh, we need more number 7.
There's more there.
Okay, number 7.
Oh, can I get number 7?
Where's the number 7? That's number 6. Yeah, that's number 7. Put it down. Okay, good job. It's okay. Okay, put it back in there. Okay, let's continue.
Complete.
Complete? Is that complete?
Yeah, it's complete.
Tuk, 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 tuk.
Ruff, ruff,
Ruff, ruff, ruff, ruff, ruff, ruff, ruff, ruff.
The dog is saying croak.
Ruff. No, not on my ear.
Mommy, remember the dog said croak, croak.
Woof, woof.
No, ruff, ruff, croak, croak.
Woof, not ow, ow.
And the
Oh,
dog
careful.
said the talking. Ruff, ruff, ruff.
Woof, woof, what the dog's saying.
Ruff, ruff,
Oh.
ruff.
I think this one is not so sticky.
Ruff, ruff, ruff.
Ruff, ruff, ruff. So we need number 3. Oh, yeah, it's still there. We need number 3.
Oh, sticky. Ow.
Sticky.
No.
Woof, woof, woof.
Can I use that now?
Oh, not the pen.
Yeah.
It's too big for that. And it will never stick in there, darling. Because you need a sticky jelly. But I don't know if it all works. Oh, I can see. Okay. Okie dokie. How many number 7 left, baby?
Okay.
I think we still more.
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
I know with the numbers.
You don't know the numbers. I think these are number 7 here.
Oh.
Let's try to get this. Oh. Oh. Okay, gotcha. There's number 7. Okie dokie. Hi, doggy. You're getting pretty now. Oh. Where's number 7, baby?
Green.
We need more number 7. Get more number 7, please. Put more number 7. Once again, it's okay. Okay. We can put them back later. Ooh. Oh.
It's in the epica.
Wow. Okay. Oh, you can help mommy to do that. You have to get more of that. Yes. Oh, not working? Uh-oh. Wait, baby. We can exchange. I can use that.
No,
Okay, use this one. Yeah, get more. Did you get